Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the battery. Now let's scroll, and as you can see at the bottom of this first section we've got the battery percentage option, which is in my case turned off, so I've got only the battery indicator, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see from this moment, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will be displayed next to the battery icon. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.